Hello, welcome to BMeks Info Channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple tip to resolve all your computer issues. Go to your Windows search bar and type Run. And click OK. Type in CMD in the box that is displayed. Type in CMD and click OK. And a blank screen as shown will be displayed for you to type in a command. You have to type in what I'm going to mention to you now. Just make sure you type in the way it is displayed on the screen. SFC/scan now. SFC/scan now. Once you are done typing this, hit Enter on your keyboard. And a total deep scanning will commence, as you can see. Once you hit Enter on your keyboard, your system will start a very deep scanning of itself. This scanning will resolve 90–95% of your computer problems. Just give it time. It can take up to 5 minutes depending on the kind of system you are using. You can see the process is ongoing. This will resolve most of the issues you are facing with your PC. Give it time. The deep scanning is ongoing, as you can see. The only thing you owe us in this channel is to subscribe and share your experience using any of the tips we are teaching in this channel. I discovered that many people make use of the tips to resolve their PC issues without subscribing to the channel. That is not encouraging at all. We would be glad to know your experiences using some of these tips. I implore you this time around to subscribe to our channel. That will really encourage us to put up more videos. Share it with your friends. But more importantly, I would be very happy if you can come back to share your experience at the comment section. This will really help others who don't like to watch long videos like this to benefit from this tip. Seeing your comments at the comments section will inspire them to go back and watch the entire video. Some people can just read it and they will be motivated. That will really help them to resolve their computer issues. Please encourage us through your subscription. That will make us to produce more videos. You can see the process is ongoing, still scanning the system. Yes, the process is complete now. You can see that my PC doesn't have any problem. I want you to run this scan on your system, as it will resolve any issues with your system at no cost to you. This will restore your computer back to life. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks.